Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're going to demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the ER-180U register. Should warn you, a disclaimer up front, that the factory reset will clear all sales and programming data, so you should only proceed if you're happy for that scenario to happen. Basically it's a fairly simple procedure. All you need to do is disconnect the machine from the mains, make sure that the memory protection batteries have been taken out, and then press and hold down the charge button here whilst plugging the machine back into the mains. When it says all clear, you release the charge button and then press the following buttons in sequence: feed, tax and calc, which is also the mode button. Then you press the cash tend button. The machine will now perform the factory reset. So all sales data and all programming data is wiped and the machine is returned back to year zero effectively. You get a little printout confirming the reset, and the till defaults to the service mode. So you need to press, if you're planning on using the machine, you press the mode button to get back to reg. And then if it says closed on the display, you simply sign in as an operator by pressing 1 and then the clerk button, and the machine's now ready to use for either sales or programming. Hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more showing you how to get the best out of the ER180 series, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.